Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I wanted to talk about this dollar store knife for a moment. Now, I literally just made a fire with this knife, and it's going to be the video right after this one. I'm going to time it so this one comes out and then the next one comes out. So, you know, someone on Facebook had mentioned, you know, the knife doesn't have the same, you know, the same temper as, like, say, a bushcraft knife. Like, say, the bushcraft black is one I routinely use a lot. You know, I really like this knife. Or the LT Wright GNS. You know, it's one of my favorites. Hasn't made really a lot of appearance because I've been doing other things. So, and it was dull and I needed to sharpen it, which I did the other day. So, well, I sharpened it to, you know, my level, which is probably not as sharp as some like it, but as long as it has a working edge, I'm pretty happy. Along with this, I just did a video sharpening this, which I'll link below. Which I'm sure a lot of people are going to disagree with how I did it. You know, I did cut some footage out, but you know, it worked, and it did what I needed it to do, which I was actually pretty surprised that it was so effective. But notice, I don't just bring this out with me. You know, I paired it with a knife I could rely on, which is this one. But the reason I'm doing it with this video, with these videos, is one, you know, it's budget camping. So budget implies that it's, you know, it's under a certain amount of money, which, you know, $1 is pretty, you know, pretty inexpensive. Even if you're dirt broke, you could probably still get $1 together somehow. So, well, I lost my chain of thought. Oh, and in camping, I mean, this knife, I just might as well just leave it out of the sheath. Okay, I keep pulling it out. You know, this knife would be a fine food prep knife for a campsite. You could easily rip open a hot dog package. You could easily cut some vegetables for whatever you're going to cook. You could probably, if you put an edge on it, you could probably cut some chicken breasts and not sawing back and forth on it, like I've done many times. So for camping tasks, I think it would be fine to do that. But, you know, for a serious, you know, bushcraft knife or survival knife or woodcraft knife or whatever you call it, probably not. I might do a deal where I pair it with the bushcraft black, and so these will be my knives. So I'd use this for food and whatever, and I'll use this for serious woodworking. It depends. I mean, it's still a shorter blade, but I would rely on it. I mean, it's never, I've no failures other than it's dirty, but you know, it's just been a great knife. Just like this GNS has been a really good knife. I mean, I would pair these two together, no problem, because I know what their capabilities are. Now if you say, well, yeah, but Mark, you can't baton with this. Well, actually, I did baton with this, and it was successful. And I made feather sticks with this, which were successful. So the video will be coming right out after this, so you can see me doing it. I did that because I wanted to kind of push the knife, see what it could do. Even with my limited skill, I mean, I'm nowhere near. He's probably forgotten, you know, more than I know. So him, and there's, you know, so many others. Hell, even just other YouTubers. I mean, Larry Roberts comes to mind. I mean, I don't, even though I haven't seen a video from him in a while, but you know, a lot of outdoorsmen would probably wouldn't be slowed down too much by this. So just food for thought. I don't know, what do you think? Comment below, let me know what you think. As always, check out my budget camping playlist. I got other YouTubers in there who contributed videos. If you want to check them out, see what they're doing, check the playlist. Their videos are in there, and anyone's welcome to submit a video if you want to. If not, it's fine. All I ask is to be under 500 views. Try to support the lower channels. And I will catch you on the next video. So how's it going?